this is what you get for the $99 package deal that we're offering. You get the free capture or lead magnet page. You get a free domain name, 30-day live chat bot with analytics, the promotion video with the thumbnail, and then you'll get the pre-written email series that you can use to send to your clients or customers that opt in for the free giveaway offer. And this is what the page looks like here. Let me scroll up. So this is the one page. This is one of our clients, as you can see. And just have your information on there. This is the thumbnail that will be attached to your video, your promotion video. And then this is the giveaway. So whether you're giving away a free download with information or ebook, or you're giving away a coupon to for a discount, then that's what they will receive. Once you click on here, what we'll do, this is going to be your live chat bot that would appear on your page. And this will be customized just based upon your information. So it could be your name, your company's name. We'll create that for you. You get this free for 30 days, this chatbot. And then what you'll do is you'll enter your name. So my name is Rita. It's going to ask me for my email address. Just put rita@gmail.com. It's going to confirm my email address just to make sure that they give you the right email address, rita@gmail.com. And then it's going to ask, it's going to give you my free download, or it could be a free coupon, discount offer, or whatever you want to offer. And then this here would be just a final thank you for subscribing to your list and for them to enjoy it. So that's all included in our $99 deal package that you will receive. Once again, that's the capture page, lead magnet page with the free domain name, 30-day live chat bot with analytics, promotion video with thumbnail, and then the email series that you can use to send to the clients or customers that opt in for the free giveaway. Thanks and have a great day.